All right. So, friends, let us try to understand why companies give or outsource employee recruitment works to other people, or why they give work from home employee recruiter jobs on full-time or part-time basis or on freelance basis. Okay. So, I will show you some details on the Google. Let's go to Google. Okay. And let us search why company outsource recruitment. All right. So if you see some of the reasons, you will understand. Employers, which means companies, choose to outsource recruiting. Recruiting include a need to improve recruiting process or to reduce a high turnover rate. Okay. And because it is impossible to keep up with hiring needs. All right. Or to develop competitive advantage. Okay. And some other reasons you can see over here. Outsourcing Outsourced recruiting helps these companies handle the fluctuations or could serve as a temporary solution to a temporary problem. Companies outsource recruiting to reduce the cost, okay, whether it's labor cost, capital cost, or any other sort of cost, right? So let us see some more information now. So major of the reasons, if you see here, one is cost reduction. All right, that is a major reason. Then reduce the time to hire. Okay, then try to get talent pooling from different sources. Try to acquire talent from different sources, different people or different recruiters, and it will help them on doing analytics and reporting. Okay, so there are many more. What I will say is many more reasons, much more reasons that may not come up outside in the open, but usually companies like startups or a 5-year-old establishment or a 10-year-old establishment where they have employees of like 15, 20, 30 or size of 100 people or 500 people. All right. So in such cases, whenever there are fluctuations, then they outsource the recruitments to other people. That is what our opportunity is. That is what we are benefited by. All right. Now, let us try to understand a couple of scenarios what I have experienced why company outsource. Now, for certain particular project, they have limited HRs to recruit. If they get certain new project, then they require more people to support on that particular project. Now, the current HR can't fulfill all the requirements, all the demands. And if they start hiring a recruiter, it itself will take somewhere around like 1 to 2 months for them to come onto the board, right? So this could be one of the reasons why they outsource. And other reason, there are many reasons. You have to think little logically, all right? So everything is available on Google and everything is available on YouTube. Try to find out the advantages. Okay. Now, here our goal is not to make lakhs of rupees in this recruitment business. May or may not possible, but that is not our aim. The intention with what I'm telling you or what I'm sharing you is if you are looking to earn somewhere like 15,000, 20,000 or up to 50,000 per month, then you can do it. Uh, if like you have a clause that you would like to work only from home, then you can earn up to 50,000 without any much more infrastructure requirement. All you require is a laptop, internet connectivity, and you alone can earn up to 50,000 rupees per month. All right.
Okay, so I have went to this Naukri.com and I have searched freelance recruiter jobs. Okay, and I have found lot many jobs for requirements. You see this freelance recruiter. Okay, and freelance recruiter from home, and all this starts with 0 years experience. Okay, you can see 0 years experience freelance recruiter. So you can see all this information. Freelance recruiter 0 to 5 years experience. Urgent opening for HR recruiter. Still you can apply for this for a freelance work. See, opening for HR recruiter freelancer 0 to 5 years. Alright. So I have opened couple of JDs posted by different companies to show you what we are training is exactly what is the requirement by the company in the job role. Good communication skills, recruitment skills, good with multiple sourcing techniques. So, alright. So this is what we are already covering, different or multiple sourcing techniques. Many job portals we are training you how to source candidates, and many social media websites, social media we are training you to source the employees. Alright. Then advanced sourcing is also covered in the training. Should be able to work from home on career counseling. So you can counsel when you recruit people, right? You can counsel them by asking like what is the next type of job you're looking for, and you can suggest how this particular company is helping them, will help them in achieving their goals, in their career goals. So all this comes under the counseling part. This is also covered in the training. Okay. And then doing recruitments and placement drives. Alright. Now if you see one more requirement, freelance recruiter, work from home, 0 to 4 years experience. We are recruiting home-based recruiters. We'll send job profile of different companies to you. We'll give you access to online job portals. You got to do the shortlisting. How to do using job portals, we are already training you. It is covered in the training. You can see the topics provided on the website. Training topics, it is covered. Okay. Then taking feedback from the candidates about the interview process. Yes, we are going to train you on this. Then how to use little bit of Excel sheets, maintaining the database. This is also trained.